After a bicycle accident, your first priority is your health. But what you do next can make or break your insurance claim. What is the single biggest mistake injured cyclists make? It's giving a recorded statement to the at-fault driver's insurance adjuster. I know it seems harmless, but it's a trap. Insurance adjusters are trained to ask questions designed to get you to downplay your injuries or accidentally admit partial fault. A single misplaced word can be used to devalue or even deny your entire claim. So what should you do instead? First, document everything. Exchange information, take photos, and get a police report. This is your evidence. Second, report the incident to both insurance companies, but provide only the basic facts. Do not go into detail and do not agree to be recorded. And third, let a lawyer do the talking. My all-woman team is known for our client-focused approach to accident claims. We handle all communication with the insurance companies to protect you from their tactics. It's time to find out what your case is really worth. Click the red button to tell us what happened. The review is 100% free, and if we think we can help, we'll tell you exactly how. Don't wait. Click now.